Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Perhaps you've just gone to the shops and you've gone and bought a code and you want to add it to your account, or maybe you're given one, or you bought one online. So first of all, come to the Roblox site and log in. Next, you need to go to the top right. There you'll go and see your Roblox balance. Go and tap on it, and you then want to tap on Redeem Roblox Codes. You'll be brought here. You're going to have this box here where you need to go and enter in the code. If you've got a physical card, go onto the back of it and scratch it off to reveal it. If you've got it online, you can go and copy and paste it, and then all you need to do is go and put it in this box here. You need to agree to these notes here, so make sure you understand them. And then when you're ready, all you need to do is go and click on Redeem, and it will then go and be added to your account. So that's basically how you can redeem a Roblox gift card code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.